So I heard that you want to start your YouTube channel so that you can monetize it. So let me tell you this. I started my YouTube channel in just 3 months. I got monetization, but the story did not end there. If you wait to the very end of this video, I'm going to show you what I did to get that feat achieved. In just 3 months, I got monetization in just 3 months. Before you can start a YouTube channel, you must know what you're doing. Don't just think that because they say people can monetize and get money from YouTube, you also want to be a YouTuber or you also want to be a content creator. What exactly is the niche you want to talk about? Do you have a recurrent content generation? Do you have something that will always come every day? A content that will always come every day? Do you have the audience? These 3 things are very, very important for you to have your channel. You must think about it. If you want to start a YouTube channel in 2024, then I'm ready to hold your hands. Why not? If not, let me help you. Let's help ourselves together.
If you love this video, please like, share with your friends and subscribe. And please turn on the notification so you'll be notified when I publish new videos. Thank you. I love you. Thumbs up.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Farumbi Samuel. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can start your YouTube channel. Forget about what you have on my background, and then if you actually want to work it, I'm making this content from an excursion outing right there in January 2024. I wanted to have something at the substance in 2024 that looks like your own. I mean, you have passion for content, or you have a business and you want the world to know about it. You want to be a content writer, you want to make YouTube videos online, and you want to monetize your channel. Now listen to this. I did my monetization, started my YouTube channel and got monetization in just 3 months. I'm going to be telling you the secret of how I got that done. I'll be letting you know of how I got that done in 3 months if you watch this video to the very end. But before I go ahead, I want to tell you about 3 fire ways to get your YouTube channel monetized. 3 fire ways, 3 sure ways. The first way is that you must have a content. You must have something recurring, whether it is fashion, it's agriculture, you want to teach about tips, you must have something recurring. Number 2 is that the quality of your graphics. People will not want to give their time over to watch your content if it is poor, if it is not actually made very well. And number 3 is that you must have something valuable you are giving out. If you have a niche, as I mentioned the first time, and then you have a quality video but you don't actually have values you are offering, people will be less interested in your content. Your values, will be shabby. People will not want to go for your values. But if you then get a way of ensuring that you are able to have a recurring content, then you are going to get the attention of people. People will be able to get your content, they will be able to come for it very, very well. So the first thing you have to do, if you want to have a YouTube channel, you go to your Gmail, go to your Gmail, create a fresh Gmail account, because it's going to be connected to YouTube Google AdSense. So create a fresh YouTube account. When you create a fresh YouTube account, the next thing you're going to do, so see how you're going to do it right now. Create a fresh YouTube account, create a fresh Gmail account. When you create your fresh Gmail account, and then the next thing is that go and download 2 major applications. You may use a device, or use your cell phone, or use your tablet for this. When you download YouTube app, and then you download YouTube Studio app, I'm showing you these 2 right now. Download the YouTube Studio app. When you download this YouTube Studio app, this is where you're going to be monitoring your analytics. You're going to be doing everything you need to do. Now, very fast, I need to let you know the first thing you need to do when you want to shoot your first video. Your first video should be an awareness video. It should be a very, very good graphic. The first video is not something you're going to be telling them, oh, I'm here, oh, shout out to everybody, sign up to my YouTube channel and all of that. No, what you want to let us know is that what are you doing? You are coming out for the very first time. It means that you are launching your YouTube. You should give us the greatest value that people will know about you. So give them the greatest value that people know about you. People want to get it done, and then you're going to give it to them that way. So when you make your first YouTube video, you should make it of a very good quality. Now, if you have a mobile phone that has a rear camera that is about 100 MP or about 50 MP from your front camera, you should be able to shoot a nice video. When you shoot this nice video, then you come up there and then let the people know that this is the value. So I'm going to be using aquaculture as an example. So if, for example, you are going into fishery and then you want to do the harvesting, you've made your fish pond and everything. If you want to make an how-to video, for example, you're also going into fashion, you want to tell people how to get something done, or you want to solve an health problem for people. You want to solve an health problem for people. What you have to do to solve the health problem for people, the first thing is to show them the most important part of what you want to do. That's what will make people to be glued to your video. And the next thing again, when you do that video, edit it, go to InShot. I'm showing you the InShot app now. Go to InShot. When you go to InShot, you will be able to edit the video. I have other videos on this channel that shows how you can actually edit a video as a beginner like a pro. You're going to see it on this channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you are getting value from this video, just comment on the link below that yes, I'm getting value from this video. So the next thing you are going to get done is that you are going to go to the plus sign on your phone. When you go to plus sign of the YouTube application over there, what you have to do is to actually hit the plus sign. You're going to see three options. You see the option of posting, you see the option of going live, you see the option of actually creating a content. So what you need to do is that you are going to, number one, add your post. You say you want to actually upload a video, so you upload a video. The next thing you are going to do when you upload that video, the video, is that you are going to allow the video to load. Now YouTube has some regulations and what they want you to do. They will process the video, they will check whether there is copyright on that video. Now it's usually very good that you have a background music on your video whenever you upload the background music on your video. If you upload a background music on your video and that video has a copyright claim, you will not be able to monetize it. But if that is your first video, don't worry about monetization. Let me let you know that before you can get monetization, you need at least 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Now if you actually want to get this done, this is talking about you getting about 100,000 subscribers, because people must have watched your video 4,000 times, 4,000 hours. That's what it means. Then watch it for 4,000 hours. But do you know, I let you know that I got mine in 3 months, and I'm going to show you, if you watch this video to the very end and follow other procedures, how and what you can do to actually get the monetization done very fast. So when you upload your first video, allow it to process. YouTube is going to check it to ensure that the video is okay, and then it's going to go. It will tell you uploaded. The next thing you need to do is to either put the video on public or you put the video on a private video. So I'm going to tell you the difference between unlisted, private video. So if you unlist a video, it means that you have uploaded it online, a link has been generated for it already, but only the person that has the link will be able to access your video. The next thing you need to do, the next option there is that you actually have an option to make your video private. It means it's going to be private, nobody uses the link to get it at all. If you make it public, everybody who online can search for it and find it and get that video and also access it online on YouTube. That is the difference. So, and then the first thing you need to do for that first video is to share where you have the traffic before. If you have the traffic on Facebook now do not allow you to post a link in a post. So what you should do is that when you tell people about the video, the next thing is that you are going to then go ahead and then put the link in the comment section of the YouTube of the Facebook. When you do that, people can then, those that are your followers on Facebook before, can say, oh, I'm having a YouTube channel, this is what I need to do, and then they start subscribing to your YouTube channel. The next place you need to do is to actually put it on your WhatsApp statuses or send it to people. You can create a WhatsApp channel and then you can actually be using it to get the content out to people there, or you create a broadcast list on WhatsApp. You can create as many as 200 people and then you send it to them. Make sure it is value, and then don't forget that I said it must be consistent. So the next 2 days again, you must come up with another video again. You can record 20 content, 50 content in a day, depending on how much hours you want to dedicate to your YouTube YouTube video, you can record it. When you do that, you would be able to actually have enough content for people to use, and then when people have that content access, then they will be able to come over and over again. Now, another thing again I need to let you know is about the YouTube thumbnail. Thumbnails are the pictures that actually stand out when people are there on your YouTube. I need to show you something in my background. I'm seeing a beautiful picture of some people over there, so enjoy that. All right, now, so the next thing you need to do is to know how to design YouTube thumbnail. So they are the pictures that actually stand out on YouTube for people to be able to know that this is the content there. Now, if you are standing at the garage and you have somebody leading you to a particular place, the person must actually advertise it very well before you can jump into that vehicle. The same thing the YouTube thumbnail will do. You must make your YouTube thumbnail should have not more than 5 words. 5 to 7 words, not more than 5 to 7 words on what the video is all about, and then you design it very well. If you want to design YouTube thumbnail, there are thousands and tons of samples you can use on Canva. Look at the Canva app here, download the Canva app, and then you'll be able to use the Canva app to do your YouTube thumbnail. So when you do your YouTube thumbnail, the next thing you need to do to understand is the title of the YouTube. Now, you must be very, very catchy, because YouTube is more than just a site where you put videos. It is actually a search engine, and the search engine is actually very mad. I mean, the SEO there is actually very, 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 very techy, and you need to understand it. When you understand it, your videos can be recommended to other people by YouTube. So you need to put your title. Before you do that, I need to teach you what you need to do. So go on Google, and then go to YouTube and search on the same video you are posting. Let's say you are posting on how to harvest fingerlings. Go and type it, how to harvest fingerlings. You will see some videos that have been there before. Look at the title. Maybe it is for beginners, maybe it's for fresh farmer or new farmers. That's the title. So lift that title. You can just tweak something there, just change something a little there, and then you will be able to use the same title that is being used there for other people. So when you use the same title that they use, your video will be recommended to them. The next thing is that the YouTube description. What should be there in the description? The description should show the content that you are actually trying to show the people. It's like you want to have a write-up. So in the days of AI, what I need you to do is to go to ChatGPT, or you go to Companion or Microsoft. They will be able to help you to write a description. Just go to ChatGPT if you have a ChatGPT account and say, write a short YouTube description for my video with the title this, and then it's going to bring the SEOs. SEO means search engine optimization. That is the content that needs to be inside that description that will make people to watch your video. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the hashtag. The hashtag is actually the things that pull videos that are related together, and they are very important in SEO. Make sure you don't put your hashtag in the title area. Don't put your hashtag in the title area. Put it in your description. When you put your hashtag in your description, just the 3 hashtags that are very, very related to your video. If you put the hashtag of something not related to your video, it means your video is going to be connected to people that are not related to your video. So what you need to do is to use the right hashtag. When you use the right hashtag, you would be able to actually get people along to your video, and people will watch your video. So till I see you again talking about how you can see, some people are trying to actually use this thing behind me here. So how you can actually start your YouTube channel and get it to monetization. So if you love this video, share this video with a friend, like, and then comment on this video, and I'm definitely going to see you next time. Thank you.
If you love this video, please like, share with your friends, and subscribe. And please turn on the notification so you'll be notified when I publish new videos. Thank you. I love you. Thumbs up.